Okay, do you see the triangle reticle? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the top of that triangle, that's your bolt. That's the like what you're going to use. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to get it on there for you. Try that. Cut it up.
Oh.
Can you see the target?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So take this hand and put it on right here like this. You see my finger? Put your finger right out. Leave it away from the trigger. Take your other hand, come up and put it right in here somewhere. That's comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So how's that look? Is it on there?
Yeah.
It's on the red?
Yeah.
Like right perfect?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do, take this finger right here. That clicks the safety off. So this gun is ready to fire now. So keep your finger out of there. Take your hand, slide up a little bit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come in and don't pull this. Just feel it. When you feel that trigger, don't pull too hard. Now put the tip of that triangle right on that bullseye.
Okay.
And then just start to squeeze and just squeeze a little bit. Keep it right on there, just squeeze a little bit more. Put it on there. Good job. Okay, that was perfect. Perfect. Finger forward, yep. Get up here, grab a handful. And it's not going to go anywhere, but this is just a, yeah, it's fine.
I don't do it that way.
Do whatever you need to do. If you need to move more, go ahead and move it. Do whatever it is. Right there? Okay. So bring this finger down. This is the safety right here. Push that button forward. Yeah. Okay, so the gun is ready. Slide your hand back up. Now get a handful of that trigger. Don't pull it though. Now get it right on there. Do what I said before. When it's on there, just squeeze a little bit. Keep it there. If it slides off, put it back on and squeeze a little bit more. Just keep it on there. Just keep squeezing. Nice and easy. Just squeeze slow. Squeeze. How'd that feel? Okay?
Different than I was expecting.
How was that shot?
2-3 o'clock.